If you use Chrome browser, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see how to turn on password alert compromise in your Chrome browser should in case your password be compromised on the web or password be. By enable this alert, it will make you get instant notification for any password alert in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. If you have not logged in to your Chrome browser, consider to log in with your Google account details. After you successfully log in, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on privacy and security right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down and then warn you if a password was compromised in a data breach. When you use a password, Chrome warns you if it has been published online. When doing this, your password and username are encrypted, so they can't be read by anyone, including Google. Just go ahead and turn on this button right here. And with that, you are fully safe and secure. And if there is any password leak in your account, Google is going to send you notification, fear this password be compromised. Once you get a notification, you can quickly change or modify the password without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about online security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.